Unlocking the comforts of home. The floor cushion explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our cozy corner of language learning. Today, we'll unravel the simple yet intriguing world of home furnishings, particularly focusing on the term floor cushion. It's a common phrase you might encounter in catalogs, home decor discussions, or when shopping for furniture. So, if you've ever wondered about these comfy home staples, you're in the right place. A floor cushion is essentially a large pillow designed to be placed directly on the floor. Unlike regular cushions, which are often found on couches or chairs, floor cushions are meant for you to sit on them, providing comfort and support while you're seated at ground level. They come in various shapes, sizes, and designs, catering to different tastes and functional needs. Believe it or not, floor cushions have been around for centuries and are an integral part of many cultures. In countries like Japan, they're a fundamental part of the traditional seating arrangement. Floor cushions are not only used for seating but also for meditation, as yoga props, or as decorative elements that add a touch of warmth and style to any room. When selecting a floor cushion, consider the material, filling, and durability. Do you prefer something soft and plush, or firm and supportive? The right choice depends on your comfort preferences and the intended use. Some might opt for a cushion with a washable cover, while others might look for organic materials for sustainability reasons. Taking care of your floor cushion ensures its longevity. Most cushions come with care instructions, but a general rule is to keep them dry, fluff them regularly, and clean spills immediately to prevent stains. If your cushion has a removable cover, washing it periodically is a good practice. And there you have it, a brief dive into the world of floor cushions. They're not just a place to sit. They're a reflection of culture, a means to comfort, and a statement of style. We hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the humble floor cushion a bit more. Until our next lesson, happy decorating, and may your learning journey be as comfortable as a well-chosen floor cushion.